Hello, my little audience. Welcome back to Annie's Magical Storytime Adventure. I know you love magical stories and colorful themes. So, today I bring you a new adventure through art with gentle strokes of watercolor. We will paint a butterfly resting on a flower, a symbol of friendship, beauty, and peace. Just like Annie and her magical butterfly friend, Daphne. This painting reminds us that small moments in nature can hold the biggest stories. So, as the colors blend softly on paper, imagine the butterfly whispering secrets of the meadows and the flowers smiling back with warmth. This is not just painting, it's storytelling with colors. So take your brushes, let your imagination fly, and together let's bring this magical butterfly and flower to life.